Hi, welcome to my family-friendly channel. My name's Miss Bree, a little person, small in height, but big in personality. I'm an early childhood education teacher with a 4-year degree. I love to bring you along adventures near and far to educate families. We have so much fun. We explore businesses, restaurants, travel, attend events, healthy baking segments, and children activities. I have shared some of my favorite adventures with you. Let's continue to learn new things. If you want to see more adventures with Miss Bree, make sure to subscribe. Well, I will see you next time.